Hey guys, now let's start gathering some images and save it in our directory. So go ahead and go to Photoshop and open up our design. So first is on the header part, obviously we need this logo. So let's save it on our directory. So locate it on our layers panel or by just pressing Command on the keyboard and click on the layer. And we're going to cut this. So Command A to select and Command X to cut. And go to File, New, and this will automatically create the width and height for us. So just hit on OK and Command V to paste it. And make sure you unhide the background and save this for web. And make sure that it's on PNG-24 and hit on save. Make sure it's on our image directory and name this brand.png. Another thing is this background image on our banner. So locate it on our layers panel, and here is the image. Now to cut this one, Control or Command click on the base layer and Command X. So basically the same step. Go to File, New, and change this to 800 and hit on OK. Now paste it. Now here's the thing how to save this one. So I just find out on the coding part that instead of having a fill color with the image, we can save this as to 5% opacity and turn the background hide. So that when we're going to code this on CSS, we will have a background image and a background color behind it. So we will achieve the same effect. So for example, I'm going to fill that with the same color, and still the 5% opacity image will have the same effect. So save it and make sure it's PNG and name it banner. So for this button, we'll just style this using CSS. Obviously, we will be needing these icons right here. Also right here, these two icons, as well as this line under the heading. These images, as well as these logos, the code icon, and the background on our CTA, these icons, and lastly the social icons. So I'm not going to show everything, but I'm going to show you how to create a sprite image. So for example, right here, merge this one, cut it, and create a new file. So the height and width is 32 pixel. Then drag a guideline and go to image, canvas size, and make sure it's relative, and click on this anchor and change the width to 32 and start doing the same step for the other icons. So don't worry if I'm not going to show you all the steps on saving these images. I will leave it to you so that you can learn from it. And I'm going to provide all of these images and the icons for you to use.